like amazed. Or like when I first saw it, I was like, but how? Like I thought I was gonna have to live with this forever, and I didn't understand how. And then you come here and it's like gone, but you don't even realise it's going until you come back and you're like, oh, I'm not doing all these things.
I was waking up in the mornings with no motivation. I was feeling very emotional. I had physical feelings like tremors and palpitations, and I just felt a bit of a mess really. It's pretty much gone, everything's gone. I feel motivated, I don't feel emotional anymore. I can just get in the car and drive on the motorway without even thinking about it. And I just do feel a different person, completely different. But
he went from being a happy, carefree, lovable little boy to a very angry, sullen, sleep disturbed, angry teenager, angry boy. And since having the therapy with Wahida, he's a lot happier now. He's sleeping, he's not anxious, he's not getting into trouble at school, he's able to concentrate. He's generally just so much happier. Can't recommend it enough.
Good. And while sharing more difficult times with her, there was a strong feeling of her walking alongside me. And so she's just lovely, and it's been a wonderful process.
The third time that you've ever met me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just had our third therapy session. So I'm just going to talk about Zoom because we've never met, have we, in person?
No, it's all been via telephone and Zoom.
You live quite far away from me. You live a few hours away from me, so we've never had the chance to meet.
Yeah, I was in a desperate state. I couldn't leave the house. I barely left my bedroom. I couldn't open the curtains. I couldn't answer the telephone. I've had a fear of the telephone and taken calls for 3 years. And for the past couple of weeks, I've been making appointments, making calls, answering the door to people. I've even had people into the house, workmen and stuff. I've left the house several times to various appointments. It's been huge. I've noticed a lot of difference. The pain levels are better, my fatigue is better. I believe that Wahida's really helped me to release some of the trauma I was obviously carrying, because my body feels so different. I feel so much lighter. I used to feel pain all through my body, and now I don't.
Anxiety and panic attacks, are they there?
No, I haven't had a panic attack in 5 weeks.
Okay.
And I was having them 5 or 6 times a day.
I came to see Wahida for a number of reasons, but the main reason, I suppose, is anxiety and PTSD. I had a car accident where someone died, and as a result of that, I was left unable to leave the house. Constant sickness, headaches, couldn't take my children to school, couldn't attend clubs, I had no social life, I wasn't taking part in any hobbies or anything that I used to enjoy. I had roughly 30 weeks of therapy on the NHS that included EMDR and CBT, but although it was just masking it for a while, and before Christmas I lost my job due to being unable to work. I was at my wit's end, and somebody referred me to Wahida, thankfully. We had 4 sessions over 6 weeks because of Christmas, and after the second week I was able to do a lot more than I was able to do prior to that first appointment with her. I'm now out, I'm doing everything I want to do, whenever I want to do it. I don't have to plan, I don't have to think about it, I don't have to worry about it beforehand. I can just get up and go, whereas before I was being really sick, it just wasn't working. I'm motivated to live my life again. I'm booking holidays, I'm booking girls' trips, I'm getting healthier because I've put on a lot of weight after the accident, so I'm getting my life back, and it's all thanks to Wahida. It wouldn't have happened without her. So thank you so much.
I have many, many more videos and case study examples like this all over my website and social media. I show proof of the anxiety gamma brain reset method at work. Total life transformations. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years of panic attacks, anxiety, extreme phobias and fears, unable to go on bridges or planes, social anxiety. Some of my clients are unable to work or drive because of these panic attacks. Lots of my clients have agoraphobia, and time again I treat them in just 6 weeks, and they're able to go out in the world again. Do watch these videos if that's something that you have. These are only some of the reviews over the past 13 years. I have many, many more, and of course most of my clients are anonymous, as they are police, social workers, teachers, and doctors who need to remain confidential if they've been working with me. You may have health anxiety like Catherine, who was catastrophizing every little illness or fearful of death. You can get immediate access to my free 10-part video series called Anxiety Unlocked, where I teach you all about anxiety, why you have it, and why your therapy hasn't worked for you. And also I'll teach you the easiest and fastest way to eliminate anxiety and panic attacks today. Sign up now.